Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro 5G review. Like the Poco M3 Pro 5G before it, the Poco M4 Pro 5G is a budget handset from Xiaomi that aims to squeeze the maximum amount of value out of not much money, £219/$450, around $300, and upwards, to be exact. For a lot of people, cost is the first and most important consideration when it comes to picking a smartphone, and when it comes to affordability, the Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro 5G definitely delivers. In return for your cash, you get a decent looking smartphone with a big, bright screen. While performance isn't spectacular, and not much of an improvement over its immediate predecessor, the handset will do everything you need it to do with the minimum of fuss, and with plenty of time between battery charges as well. For some, that might be all they need to know. Dig a little deeper though, and you can see where Xiaomi has made its savings. The camera setup on the Poco M4 Pro 5G isn't fantastic, and you're also missing out on extras like Wi-Fi 6, waterproofing and wireless charging. It's really a question of what your priorities are and how much you're willing to spend on your next smartphone. Xiaomi's MIUI isn't one of our favorite takes on Android, though that's more of a personal point of view than an objective assessment. There's just a bit too much bloat and extraneous flotsam for our tastes, though it's fair to say that the software is very customizable. You do at least get the bonus of 5G with this phone, so you're all set for the next-gen connectivity revolution.